Today's recipe is shrimp masala, also known as shrimp curry. Here I've got cooked cocktail shrimps. I've just removed the tail. This is 700 grams. Here I've got 300 grams of onions. This is around 2 medium-sized onions. Here I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes. This is 300 grams. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 bay leaf, also known as tej patta. Here I have salt as per taste, half tablespoon fennel seeds, also known as sof, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, also known as dhania, 1 black cardamom. I've got around 10 cloves of garlic and 9 grams of ginger paste. This is around a tablespoon, or you can say 1.5 tablespoons. Here I've got 3 green chilies. These are really spicy green chilies, so I've used 3, but you can use as per your taste, and a teaspoon of peppercorn. So let's start making shrimp masala. Shrimp masala is ready. Now I'll just add some cilantro leaves for garnishing. If you have coriander leaves, mint leaves, it's your choice, you can add whatever. And this is ready to serve with Zeera rice. Shrimp masala, also you can call it shrimp curry, is ready to serve. I have some Zeera rice here to serve it with. For the recipe of Zeera rice, please click on the link mentioned in the description box below. And this is a great recipe to enjoy with family and friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. And thank you for watching. Enjoy!